Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to show you how to gift skins in Fortnite. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Before you can send a gift in Fortnite, there are a few requirements you need to meet. The most important one is enabling two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account and is required by Epic Games before you can start sending gifts. To enable two-factor authentication, go to store.epicgames.com and sign into your account. Then click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to Account Settings. On the left sidebar, select Password and Security, scroll down and follow the instructions to set up using an authenticator app, SMS or email. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, your account will be secure and eligible for gifting. Another important condition is that your account level must be at least level 2. You can easily check your account level by navigating to the Career tab in Fortnite. This is something most players achieve quickly, but it's good to double check. Now that you are set up, your friend also needs to be ready to receive gifts. They must enable the Can Receive Gifts option in their settings. To do this, they should open the Settings menu in Fortnite, scroll through the available options and turn on Receive Gifts. Without this enabled, you won't be able to send them anything. Once you have ensured both you and your friend are set up, you can start gifting. First, make sure you have enough V-Bucks in your account, as gifting requires V-Bucks. If your balance is low, purchase more before proceeding. Now open Fortnite and head to the item shop. Browse the available skins and cosmetics and pick the one you want to gift to your friend. Instead of purchasing the item, click the Gift to Friends option. You will be taken to a screen where you can select which friend to send the gift to. Choose your friend from the list, but keep in mind that you can only send gifts to your friends who have been on your friend list for at least 3 days. If you have just added them, you will need to wait for 3 days before you can send them anything. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.